Oh, Kiddo Screen. Hi, Kiddo Screen here. I'm about to open two Holland Phantoms. One is Zangoose and one is Mewtwo. Okay. Let's open the Mewtwo one first. Two, three, four. Okay, so got Lily, no Pikachu, Dark Persian, that's also middle, Fighting Whiscash, Psychic Omanyte, Electric Pikachu, Psychic Baltoy, and rares are Fighting Energy. Oh. Okay. And Nosepass. Well, didn't really think that was the rare one. Well, I guess so. Okay. That wasn't very good. But at least I got a rare energy. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Second. First one. Okay. Psyduck, Aeron, Wobbuffet, Barboach. I can go with my Whiscash, Vibrava, Horsey, Puccina. Okay, that was pretty good. Rezar, Holofoil versus Holo Pichu, and it's common, but still Holo. Deoxys. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, now link. Little screen. Thanks, rate, comment, subscribe if you like my videos. I don't care if you do or not. And if you give me a bad comment, I'm gonna block you. No matter what you say. Bye.